If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more organized notebook, then learning how to group pages in OneNote is a simple trick that can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll show you how to create page hierarchy in OneNote so you can organize your notes into a main page, a subpage, and even a sub-subpage if needed. This is perfect for keeping projects, class notes, meeting notes, and research all neatly grouped together. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy OneNote tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open OneNote and go to the page list on the side of the screen. This is where all of your pages are displayed. You'll want to find the page that you want to group underneath another page. This is the page you're going to turn into a subpage. Now click and hold the page you want to group. Don't release it right away. While holding it, drag the page slightly to the right. As you move it over, keep an eye out for a small indentation line. That indentation line is your visual indicator that the page is about to become a subpage. Once you see that small indentation line, release the page. OneNote will automatically move it under the page above it, creating a grouped hierarchy. Now that page is no longer sitting at the main level. Instead, it becomes nested under the page above, which helps keep related content together in a much cleaner structure. If you want to go one step further, OneNote also lets you create up to 3 levels of page hierarchy. That means you can have a main page, then a subpage under that. This is really useful if you want to break down a big topic into smaller sections without cluttering your notebook. For example, you could have a main project page, then separate subpages for planning, research, and tasks, and then a sub-subpage for detailed notes inside one of those sections. It's a simple but powerful way to make your notebook easier to scan, easier to navigate, and much easier to keep organized over time. If you ever want to change the structure again, you can simply drag the page back to a different position. OneNote makes it easy to rearrange things as your notes grow and change. So if your notebook starts feeling messy, this is one of the best ways to tidy it up fast. And that's it. You now know how to group pages in OneNote using page hierarchy. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to drag, and it can completely improve the way you organize your notes. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more OneNote tutorials, productivity tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.